Okay, so this will be my example in converting the given interest rate into its equivalent interest rate, both compound interest problem. Okay? Now, ulitin ko, the reason kung bakit natin to ginagawa because sa mga susunod na mga examples, ang aking tatalakay, no, isosolve ay general ordinary annuity. When we say general ordinary annuity, magkaiba yung payment interval dun sa length ng interest compounding period. So, kailangan mailagay natin sila into equivalent interest rate. Okay? Now, another example is number 2, 8% compounded semi-annually. Anong kanyang equivalent interest rate compounded quarterly? Okay? Solution natin, diretso ko na. Equate natin yung dalawang future values. Future values nito, future value nito, future value nito. So we have F1 equals F2. Okay? Yung F1 natin, yung future value ng equivalent interest rate. So that will be P 1 plus compounded quarterly, that will be I. Yun ang symbol ng ating interest rate is ang frequency of conversion period ay 4 all over 4. Raised to MT. Lumayan ko yung formula ha. F equals P 1 plus I frequency of periods over M MT. Okay? So, ang M natin dito is M. Sorry. Okay, diretso. Wait. Diretso ko na. So, F1, compounded quarterly. So, that will be P 1 plus, di natin alam. Yun ang hinahanap natin. Compounded quarterly na interest rate over 4. Okay? Raised to 4 times T. Okay? Equal to P 1 plus 8%. So, that is 0.08. Compounded semi-annually, therefore M equals 2. M is 2 times T. Okay? Cancelin na natin yung P. Cancel na rin yung T. Okay? Now, kasunod na gagawin. Matanggal yung exponent dito. Okay? Paano yun? I-raise ko to sa exponent na 1/4. Okay? So, matitira is 1 plus I interest rate compounded quarterly all over 4. Tanggal na yung 4 because of this exponent 1/4. So we have 1 plus 0.08 over 2. 2 divided by 4 is 2 sa ilalim. So that will be 1/2 or square root. And then, I'm going to transpose 1 to the other side. I over 4 equals 1 plus 0.08 over 2 raised to 1/2 minus 1. Ito na yung J natin. No? Ito yung J. Okay? Pero kailangan natin ay interest rates. We're going to solve I o interest compounded quarterly. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4 para matanggal yung 4 dun sa left side of the equation. So matitira na lang is I 1 plus 0.08 over 2 raised to 1/2 minus 1 times 4. Okay? Now, using our scientific calculator, the equivalent interest rate will be parenthesis muna. Okay? Parenthesis and then another parenthesis 1. Okay? 1 plus the fraction. Oh. Okay, pwede. 0.08 on top. 2. Arrow to the right. parenthesis, then xy, fraction 1/2, top arrow to the right, minus 1, again, close parenthesis, times 4. Okay. So, yan ang naka-display dapat sa inyong calculator. And then, press equal sign. We have 0.07916, 156. So, we have the equivalent interest rate is 0.0792156. Okay? So, sagot natin in percent is 12, that is equivalent interest rate is 7.92156%. Okay? So, yun yung ating sagot dun sa example number 2. Okay? At kung kukunin natin yung interest rate per period na si J, so, ang sagot natin, you just simply divide it by 2. Or kunin na lang natin to without multiplying both sides by 4. Okay? So, J equals, we just simply divide it by 4. Divide by 4. So, that is 0.0. Lagay ko na sa percent. 1.9804%. Okay? That is the interest rate per quarter. Okay? Kaya dinivide ko ng 4. Itong kailangan natin sa topic na general ordinary annuity. But for now, what we need is to determine the equivalent interest rate. So this is our answer. So that will be my second example.